In this video, we're looking forward on the topic how to fix Blink doorbell motion detection not working. Step 1. Check motion detection settings. Open the Blink app and navigate to the camera settings for your doorbell. Ensure that motion detection is enabled. Adjust the sensitivity slider to increase detection range. Step 2. Verify notification. Make sure notifications for motion detection are turned on in the Blink app. Check your phone's notification settings to ensure the Blink app can send alerts. Step 3. Update the Blink app. Open the Google Play Store, search for the Blink app. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap Update to install the latest version. Step 4. Check camera replacement. Verify the doorbell is positioned correctly to capture motion. The camera should be at the chest height and angled slightly downward. Clear any obstructions in the camera's field of view. Step 5. Optimize motion zones. In the Blink app, configuration motion zones ensure the active zones cover the area where motion is expected. Check for firmware updates. Open the Blink app, go to system settings, check for the firmware updates for your doorbell. Step 7. Perform a factory reset. If all else fails, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button until the doorbell flashes red. Set it up again in the Blink app. Thanks for watching.